Here I am at the Armory Service Center. This is the first time since I've been the owner of our vehicle that I'm dropping it off for some maintenance. And it first started with a alert on the dashboard that said maintenance due soon, which was kind of a dead giveaway. I checked the CARFAX Care app, and it also said to check for the oil change, do a tire rotation, brake inspection, and then it said some pretty magical words. It said, do all these things to avoid costly repairs. I thought that was very cleverly worded, because in fact, if you don't do these things proactively, you will experience that pain later, which, you know, as much as we enjoy avoiding the pain in the short term, it's actually more important and more motivating, a lot of times for me at least, than seeking that good outcome. So I thought that was very clever wording. In Excel, I had a recent client who was basically, they didn't know what they didn't know. So they own several gyms in LA, and we had a couple one-on-one sessions devoted to creating a tool to determine what their expenses were, what kinds of expenses. They didn't know that it was possible and accessible to download the transactions from the credit card and then do some analysis inside the spreadsheet. So they were going to do kind of a manual check with the paper or the PDF statements. And so this is where my years of expertise and also kind of seeing this before and having done this before myself, I took those transactions, helped him export those from the credit cards, and we're able to automate the process a lot more, save so much time, and avoided that costly mistake of doing it too manually, because we made a lot of repetition, a lot of unnecessary steps. And so if you have any questions on how to avoid some costly errors in Excel, reach out, let me know. We can set up a one-on-one consultation and see if we're a good fit to work together.